Hey there, unicycle enthusiasts! Today, we'll be learning together on how to unicycle. Disclaimer, I am a beginner and we are learning this together. So this is what I know so far. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a unicycle. Make sure you choose the right size for your height. Mine is way too large for a beginner. I'm just kidding. You might need a 13 to 15 inch wheel. Mine is way too large for a beginner at 25 inches. If you're unsure, ask someone you know. Personally, I know absolutely nobody who unicycles. So if you do, I'm very happy for you. YouTube is a great teacher though anyway. Once you've got your unicycle, it's time to learn the basics. To mount, start by standing on the pedal with your dominant foot. This will be your front foot. Then place your non-dominant foot on the pedal behind your dominant foot. This will be your back foot. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and your body is centered over the wheel, with all the weight of your bum resting fully on the seat. You might feel yourself lifting up, but resist the urge. Now it's time to get rolling. Start by gently pushing off the ground with your front foot. As you gain momentum, shift your weight forward and let the wheel roll underneath you. Begin idling back and forth with use of a wall for support. Keep your body centered over the wheel and maintain a steady balance. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you fall off at first. Remember, falling is a natural part of the learning process. You might want to wear a helmet and pads. As you become more comfortable, you can start experimenting with different speeds and techniques. For example, try to balance on one foot while the other is on the pedal. This will help you develop your balance and coordination. Remember though, unicycling is a fun hobby that requires practice and patience. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out a unicycle club in your area. They can provide valuable tips and guidance, and it's always more fun to learn with others. This is me learning to unicycle. It's taking me a long time and I feel like I'm seeing small improvements each time I practice. As you can see, I've had enough. I've been at this for an hour, hopping on and off. I'm exhausted. As you can see, I have had enough. I've been at this for an hour, hopping on and off this bike. I deserve some ice cream, and that is what I am going to do right now. Okay guys, see you later.